Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get to the Thieves stash in Baldur's Gate 3 using an easy method. First, head to the Emerald Grove and find the central area where the Tiefling merchants are set up. Look for Aaron's stall, the one selling various goods. The stash is cleverly concealed beneath a large, unassuming rock nearby. You will need to interact with this rock to move it aside, revealing the hidden compartment below. This initial step is crucial for accessing the valuable contents within. To open the hidden stash, you first need to interact with the large rock. A character with a high strength score, typically around 10 or more, can easily move it aside. If your party lacks a strong character, consider using a potion of Hill Giant Strength to temporarily boost an ally's power. Sometimes, a successful perception check will highlight the rock, making it easier to spot. Once the rock is moved, the stash is exposed and ready for you to claim its treasures. Inside the Thieves' stash, you will usually find a decent amount of gold, often ranging from 200 to 500 pieces, which is a great early game boost. Beyond the gold, expect to discover various valuable trinkets that can be sold for extra coin. You might also uncover useful consumables such as healing potions, scrolls of minor spells, or even a rare arrow type. These items can significantly aid your early adventures and provide a nice advantage. Remember, accessing this particular Thieves' stash is not considered a crime within the game, so you do not need to worry about guards or reputation loss. It is a safe way to acquire some early resources. Always make sure your character has enough inventory space before opening the stash to avoid leaving any valuable items behind. This easy method provides a quick and consequence-free way to boost your early game economy and gear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.